This week, Parashat Devarim, right before Tisha B'Av, we talk about Tefila. That's a shur on the Tefila. We talk about Nachem, the Tefila of Nachem that we add into Shemoneh Esrei, in Tishkon b'toch Yerushalayim. We add the Tefila, special Tefila for Tisha B'Av. Now, the Tefila says Nachem Hashem Elokeinu, console Hashem Elokeinu et Avelei Sion v'et Avelei Yerushalayim, the mourners of the Sion and the mourners of Yerushalayim. Now the question is, what's the difference between Sion and Yerushalayim? What are the mourners of the Sion and Yerushalayim? We have in the Tefila, they say, Baruch Atah Hashem bonei Yerushalayim, Hashem builds Yerushalayim, that's the city of Yerushalayim. Then we say, Machzir Shechinato le Sion, Hashem returns back his Shechina to Sion. The word Sion is the center of Shechina, it's the Hamikdash. Sion means it has sign. The sign of these are the Avodim of Hashem. They work all day for HaKadosh Baruch Hu. That's Sion. Yerushalayim is the city. In the Sion, only Kohanim, Levim are around to work Korbano, to do Korbano. Somebody wants to make Korbano. Yerushalayim is the city of people live. Elders, youngers, men, women, children, families of Torah. Yerushalayim is the city of families that their life is Torah. They live in that city. Therefore, there are two types of mourning for Yerushalayim. Mourning of Korban with Hamikdash, those who brought Korbanot, those who saw what's happening with Hamikdash, the life to the world, the light to the world is not there. And there is the mourners of Yerushalayim because of having the Hamikdash in the middle of the city of Yerushalayim. This family life of the city was much different level, different understanding, different hasaga. The happiness, the joy, the simcha was different. Because all was surrounded by Torah. There are two mourners. Now, when we come to the end of the bracha, it's very interesting. We say, Baruch Atah Hashem, bless you Hashem, Menachem Sion bebinyan Yerushalayim, who consoles Sion with the building of Yerushalayim. The word the Nechama, the consolement, goes to Sion with the building of Yerushalayim. It sounds should have been just the opposite. In other words, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, it consoles Yerushalayim, the city of people that they live in the city. HaKadosh Baruch Hu consoles Yerushalayim with the binyan of Sion, with building of the Hamikdash. But the bracha says no. It doesn't say Menachem Yerushalayim, the city of Yerushalayim, with building Sion, which is the Hamikdash. It says Menachem Sion is the Nechama, is a consolement to Sion with the binyan of Yerushalayim, of the city of Yerushalayim. Why is the Nechama to Sion Yerushalayim or the Nechama to Yerushalayim building of the Hamikdash? So that points out very unbelievable point. What's the purpose? The purpose is to have the Hamikdash, or the purpose of the Hamikdash is to have Yerushalayim. It sounds from this bracha that the purpose of Hamikdash is to have the city of Yerushalayim. All of the Korbanot, all of the Kohanim, what they do in the Hamikdash, the purpose of that is to have a city of Torah. Men, women, families, everybody's keeping Torah. Their life is life of Torah. That's the purpose of being. The purpose of being is to create families, communities of Torah. And centralizing with Hamikdash, but then there's other purpose. Then there's being Korbanot, and all of the activities happens there to create the people of Torah, families of Torah, mishpach of Torah, city of Torah. That's why, B'ezrat Hashem, when HaKadosh Baruch Hu builds up Yerushalayim, it's the Nechama for Sion, those that are working with Hamikdash, Kohanim, and they're working constantly bringing Korbanot. It's the greatest consolement to them to see city of Torah. They see children are learning, see children are doing business properly, see the growing communities. And that is the purpose. That Hashem, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, should give Nechama to everybody. And we should be Soche to Nechama Yerushalayim, in the Hamikdash, and Biad Wer Sitrenu, Bimper Avamenu,